Hello, I'm going to review Krazy Clean Pro. Is it legit or another scam? So Krazy Clean Pro is marketed as chemical-free toilet cleaner designed to prevent stains for up to 10 years, claiming to eliminate the need for scrubbing. Pros: some users report minor improvements in toilet clean. Some users report minor improvements in toilet cleanliness, particularly in areas with hard water, appreciating its chemical-free approach. Cons: a significant number of customers have reported that the product does not perform as advertised, with issues such as ineffective cleaning, short lifespan, and poor customer service, including unresponsiveness and difficulty obtaining refunds. Some conclusion: while Krazy Clean Pro may work for some users, the prevalence of negative reviews and customer service complaints suggests that potential buyers should exercise caution before purchasing.